Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Store error 0xD000000D on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to repair the Microsoft Store. I'll show you everything. So search for Store in the Windows search bar, and in the right pane click on this download pointing arrow and select app settings. Okay. Now scroll down. First click on terminate, then repair. So as to repair the Microsoft Store until you get a red tick, then reset it till you get a red tick. So a normal tick here. And finally, if that doesn't help, then reset the Microsoft Store cache. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset Microsoft Store and launch it again. And the last solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Now I have a command for you which I will share in the description section of the video. Copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste this command here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.